Alright, so this problem here is number 41 out of section 3.2.1 on page 203. So as with the other example I have from this section, the key strategy that we're going to use is by simply looking at what our definitions are and then seeing where we can go with that. So written out here, I have one unknown. I don't know what k is. Now, I know that the log 2 or base 2 of 1/2 will be equal to this exponential equation as well, but I have this 3 out in front. This doesn't fit with what I have here, so I need to have a lead coefficient with my logarithm of 1. Now I can eliminate that 3 by, hopefully you guessed, simply dividing both sides by 3. Now if we do that, it cancels over here and we're left with log base 2 of 1/2 is equal to k over 3, which will become our exponent. Now I go through and I simply want to identify all of my pieces. Well, I know that this right here is my base. Okay. This here is the argument. And now this will be my exponent. Now, as with a lot of the other problems, if we don't feel comfortable or we don't feel like it's possible to simply plug this in and do it, we're going to look for a relationship based off the exponential function. So let's rewrite this as an exponential function. Now, it starts with our base, which in this case is 2, to our exponent. Well, in this case, we have k over 3 as our exponent, and then that is equal to the argument, which in this case is 1/2. Okay. Now, what we're really looking for here is 2 to what power will give us 1/2? Well, if you think about that, what we're really trying to get then is 2 to the negative 1 power. If we do 2 to the negative 1 power, then we get 1 over 2. Oh, and that's what it's supposed to equal, right? So our goal is to make this equal to negative 1. So I'm going to go ahead and make an equation. K over 3 is equal to negative 1. If I multiply both sides by 3, okay, then we're going to find that k is in fact equal to negative 3. Now, in the end, this is the information that we need to solve this problem, but we're not quite there. The original problem asked us to find what 3 log base 2 of 1/2 was equal to. Well, up here we had stated that that was equal to k. Well, we found that k is equal to negative 3, so 3 log base 2 of 1/2 is equal to negative 3. Last step was substitution.